Manilin, wala kayo tiyong Tiyog, may Manilin.
Thank you.
Sa kanya ko student.
Those shapes, square,
Go,
triangle,
Cherry.
parallelogram. What do you call those shapes in math? What do you call those shapes in math? Okay, you raise your hand when you answer. Sige, Dalin, what do you call those shapes?
Alam, Manilin, laban yan, Manilin, hindi ko pa.
Is all about polygons.
Kitabi, Manilin.
Alright, so what particular
Manilin, nandiyan dyan, day.
are we going to do? Okay, here. Sorry.
Ay, sige, pamayapayo sa kasadyante eh.
Here is our objective for today, and this is our topic specifically for today.
Tabi-tabi.
Alright, so now let's
Tabi-tabi,
explore
day.
the world of polygons. Today, to warm you up, I have here a flashcards, today, that contains different kinds of polygons and numbers and
Inday, Manilin. Inday,
for another
Rukita.
set, I have here, I will give it to Jeremiah, to Jay, to Cherry, to Rand, to Maria, and to Vic, Loremy, and Annalyn. Okay, stand and go!
Ano, paningkamot, Manilin.
Stand together with your partner. Stand together with your partner.
Day, ala, suti agad ni mo, day. Kini Sir Jerry mong Paris.
Okay. Oh, very good, very fast. Okay, let's start with
Giting tagumpay,
this
oh.
one. 4 sides quadrilateral. Okay, very good. Go on, first pair. Thank you. How about this one? 5 sides pentagon. Triangle, 3 sides, correct. 9 sides monotone, correct. Hexagon, 6 sides, correct. Octagon, 8 sides, correct. Wow, you got correct.
Ala ko, friend, wala mo barog. Nabarog-barog naman.
Very good again. Thank you. How about this one?
Nangupira man niya ako, friend. Uy,
How about this one? Sige, sige, alam.
uy,
Okay.
uy, ako,
It's a
friend, kasi.
polygon. Very good.
Ako, friend, sige lang pangupira. Ala, nangupira sa...
Is it a
Ala, ala.
polygon or not a polygon? How about one there? Also may mga surrender. Is it a polygon or not a polygon? You don't know. But your classmates say,
Ala, ala, ala.
is it a
Awa lagi ka.
polygon?
Nangupira. Manili, nangupira lagi ka na eh.
Polygon.
Ay.
It is not polygon. Okay, so, the Rosie, run. Ano man yan? Parang hindi mo polygon man siya. Para na to, sir, polygon. Against our
No cheating,
school rules,
Manilin.
cheating is not allowed. You have to study hard, okay? Okay. So, let us continue.
Students, based sa yan ang mga